Hey guys, how are you doing? I was trying to do this video yesterday, but I was running into some issues, so yeah, I'm doing it again. So it's about Hamster, how to connect your Hamster Hamster to your ByBit exchange. I'll also do another video for Binance, then yet another one. Once you know ByBit, it's very simple with Binance. Then yet another one for other exchanges. Okay, so let's go for ByBit. But before you can do for ByBit, you must ensure you've opened a ByBit account. Look at it here, ByBit. You'll see a link to in the description for you to open one. Okay, so just go to the description of this video, then you will see the link. So make sure you've opened a ByBit account, and let me show you something. And that ByBit account has been approved. You've done KYC and it's been verified and approved. Okay, so let's go. It's very simple. ByBit does not really take time. Even Binance does not take, as long as you have your details. And these days okay, it's asking me for login. Let me quickly do login. Okay, so I'm logged in now to my account. Make sure you've registered. Like I said, you see the link to register in the description below. Then make sure you've done your KYC. Then once you register and do everything, they will tell you to do your KYC. Then they will tell you to wait for approval, and if you are approved, they'll send you a mail telling you are approved. If you are not still approved, they'll tell you, also send you a mail telling you the issue. But ByBit is, to get approval is really easy. Okay, just follow their instructions. So how do you know you're approved? So you click on this top left corner where you see this user face, this profile. You click on it, then you see verified. After non-VIP main account verified, once you see that verified and a green check mark, you know that your account is okay. You've done KYC, because Hamster says you have to have done KYC before you can connect any of the exchanges you want to use. Okay, so that's that. So now let's now go to Hamster. So Hamster. Let me pause the video. So this is Hamster. So Hamster Kombat. So I'm on the dashboard now. Now, so some of you that have left Hamster for a while, you may find that okay, a lot of new stuff have been added, and it looks strange. Don't worry, I already did a video that explains everything on this dashboard. So I will also drop the link to that video in the description too. Okay, so let's just go for what we came here for. So to connect your any of the exchange, just click on Airdrop at the bottom here, the bottom right. Click on Airdrop, then scroll up. You see withdraw, Binance Exchange, OKX, ByBit, Wallet in Telegram, EBI, on-chain. So you can use any of them you like, but OKX does not work in Nigeria anymore. Then Binance, it works, but they don't have a P2P here in Nigeria, so you'll find it difficult to sell your token there, except maybe you transfer to another exchange like ByBit before you do the P2P there. So the advantage of ByBit is that it has a functioning P2P here in Nigeria. But why people don't like using ByBit is it doesn't really give much rewards and bonuses like Binance. Now, Binance is not a guarantee that Binance will give you rewards, but sometimes they do. Like there was dogs. When dogs listed, Binance gave everybody that withdrew to Binance 10,000 dogs. That was crazy. That was crazy. Though ByBit did their own reward, but it wasn't a uniform kind of like reward. It was more like a pool. If you are lucky, you get it. If you're not lucky, but Binance one was uniform. Everybody got it. So that's why a lot of people like using Binance. So when they want to sell it, they will transfer. They will convert to the USDT, then transfer to another. Either sell it directly to an offline merchant, or they will convert. So they'll send it to another exchange that supports P2P in Nigeria. So it just depends on you. Okay. But for this video, I'm using ByBit. So I'll click on the ByBit. Then it's asking, do you have a ByBit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive Hamster. If I don't have, let's create it. No problem. That means they will give me their referral link. I'll use it to open it. But if I have, I'll just click yes, I have it. So look at the scroll down to the bottom. You see a very important instruction. After choosing, you cannot change withdrawal option. So make sure you really know you want to use ByBit or you want to use Binance before you put in your details. Because once you put in your details and you click save, you cannot change it. Okay. So I hope that is clear. Alright, so look at the things they need and look at the date. It says September 21st is the deadline for off-chain deposit. That's what we're about to do now. Then confirmation from the exchanges will come 24th of September. So you have to connect to your exchanges on or before 21st. And they put the time 8 o'clock UTC. Alright, so what do they need? They need a ByBit UID. They need the Hamster deposit address. They need the memo. Alright. So very important you put everything. Especially this memo. If you forget this memo, your token is gone. You most likely will lose it. Okay. Alright. So it's just a way for the exchange to track your transaction. Yes. When you send your Hamster to them, so a way for them to track it to make sure that it gets to your wallet with them. Alright, so let's go get all these details. Remember, ByBit UID, Hamster deposit address, and memo. So let's go get our UID. So I'll go back to ByBit. Now I'm noticing that my ByBit takes a lot of time to load, and before it loads, my Hamster resets, so I have to open it all over again. So in order to avoid doing this over and over again, I will just copy and paste everything on my notepad. So I'll copy and paste everything on my notepad. At least that one will open fast. So UID, Hamster address, then memo. So let me do it that way. So let's go to ByBit. So you see it's taking so long, too much time to load. I don't know why. Oh, ByBit, what's wrong with you? Okay, so to get your UID, remember we went when we went to the first time when we were checking how to know if your account is verified. This top left corner, you click on it again. Then you see under the email address, you see UID. So there you see a copy up button there. I just click on it, copy it successfully. So I'll go to if your phone does not delay the way mine is doing, I don't know what's wrong. Just go straight to Hamster and paste it there. But to avoid doing too much work, double work, so I've copied my UID. Then let me go get the Hamster address and the memo. So to get that, so I'll go back, click on this back button, then go to assets. You see this button here where you have home, market, derivatives, spot, then assets. Click on assets. Then you click on deposit where you see deposit, withdrawal, transfer, convert, giveaway, easy buy. You click on deposit, click on it. Then you see P2P trading, buy with NGN, deposit crypto. So click on deposit crypto, the last one, deposit crypto. Then on the search bar, the top here, where you see, please select your preferred pair. Okay, I've already searched for Hamster before. This is why I'm seeing it here. Okay, so let me just clear it so so yours will most likely look like this. You will not see Hamster there. So I'll click on the search bar. I'll type Hamster. Don't type the full name Hamster like this. Don't do it. You will not see it. Okay, because exchanges give a unique code to each of the token, just like stock trading. Each company has their unique code. Like Tesla is TSLA, and most times it's 4 sometimes, but for crypto they sometimes make it 5 or so 3, 4, 5. So Hamster's code is HMSTR. Before you will complete the arrow, you will see it at the bottom. So this one, Hamster. So you click on Hamster. Now it's asking for the chain type. That means the blockchain type. So Hamster is built on Ton. Click on Ton. That's the only option there actually. Now notice they will give you a notice. They are telling you to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the deposit address and the memo, or sometimes they call it tag. That was what I was telling you before. The failure to do so may result in the loss of your funds. So please Confirm that you are depositing Hamster to this address on its own. Mismatch address information may result in, so just be careful here. That's what they are saying. And make sure you copy both the address and your tag or your memo. So I'll copy the address first. Copy the address, and I'll go paste it. Copy, paste it there. That's my address. Then I'll go get the memo. Make sure you get the three. Get the three of them. Memo, I'll copy it. Copy it successfully. Copy it successfully. Then I'll go to my memo. So make sure you have your UID. Make sure you have your UID, your address, and your memo. So now we'll go back to Hamster. I'm done with ByBit. Go back to Hamster. So you see it's reloading now because ByBit took too much time. So that's the issue I've been having. That was why I didn't do the video yesterday, because it was just making me go back and forth all over again. So that was why I had to start again. So I have to go back all over again. Okay, so let's quickly do this. I tried copying because my clipboard can copy maximum of 5 things at the same time. I did it, but it wasn't allowing me to paste the third one. So it was just a mess yesterday. So that's why I had to come back. I had to use this other method of pasting first to Notepad. But if your own does not give you such issues, don't worry, you can just paste it. Since I already have the memo in my clipboard, so I'll just paste memo. Then what's wrong with you now? Memo. Oh, that's what I didn't know. So memo. Then my master address is already on my clipboard. Then the UID, everything is there. Okay. So let me confirm that UID was 25. That memo was okay. I'm good to go. So once I do that, I'll just click save and choose. Save and choose. Well done. Thanks. Stay tuned with updates. So I've connected. So status has changed. Remember, the status was not sent yet, not selected yet, right? Then now the status is request was sent. So that is all, guys. So that's how to connect your ByBit to your Hamster Kombat. Again, what do you need? Your ByBit UID, your Hamster deposit address, and your memo. And please copy everything. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Till I come next time. I will do another video for Binance. It's similar. It's just the same thing. No difference. Just that okay, maybe how will you navigate your ByBit platform? No problem. I will show you that. It's very simple too. Alright, so thank you guys.